What's up, guys? Welcome to another episode on Nature's Hangout. Today I am with Josh from Live to Hammock on Instagram, and we are on a busy road apparently. We're at a local place on Long Island, New York, and we are going to go hammock a field right after a snowstorm. We've gotten 3 snowstorms in the past 2 weeks, but you know what life is.
Everybody's got a first kiss, but not everybody makes it last. Everybody's got a long list of someday I'm gonna do that. Whoa, but nobody needs time till it runs out. Oh, so why take a left when you can take a right now? Everybody's got a future, but not everybody makes it past. Everybody's got a chance to take that some don't take till it's too late to take it back. Everybody's got a last breath, but not everybody breathes it in. Everybody dies, but not everybody lives. Not everybody lives. A lesson can't be learned unless there's a mistake, and a heart can never love if it's too afraid to break. Whoa, so don't plan on the minute hand slowing down. Oh, no. Everybody's got a future, but not everybody makes it past. Everybody's got a chance to take, some don't take till it's too late to take it back. Everybody's got a last breath, but not everybody breathes it in. Everybody dies, but not everybody lives. No, not everybody lives. They run all out of the good. Some people know how to say I love you, and some people
We set up camp back here about 15 minutes from the road. 15 minutes walking. About 3 ponds in. It's pretty cool, man. Did something we haven't done, and that's start a fire while hammocking out in the middle of nowhere. And it's pretty cool. It's a pretty cool adventure. I'm glad I'm not here alone. I'm over there with Joshy over from Live to Hammock in our Nature's Hangout hammocks. I'm in my forest edition. He's in the river edition next to the fire.
Everybody's got a future, but not everybody makes it past. Everybody's got a chance to take, but some don't take till it's too late to take it back. Everybody's got a last breath, but not everybody breathes it in. Everybody dies. Everybody dies, but not everybody lives.
Look who decided to join. What's up?
No fist pump.
Friendship.
Friendship goals right there.
What makes a fire a fire?